Next one is all about the methods, no, in capital budgeting. Di ba, class, pag sinabing capital budgeting, it is an evaluation process or screening tool if you will accept the project or not. Number one is all about your payback period. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng payback period, no? Payback period is to compute for the number of years wherein to recover your investment. Sa Tagalog, ilang taon ko ba ito marirecover? Yan ang ating tinatawag na payback period, no? So the formula for the payback period is the net investment, you will divide it by your net cash flow. Kaya lang, class, no? In terms of the payback period, yes, easy to understand, easy to compute, okay? Kaya lang, hindi kasama, no? Yung tinatawag nating time